Hello and welcome to another Teacher's Dungeon tutorial, my friends. Hey, first and foremost, make sure you have your notebook out and you're ready to take some good old notes. And here we go. The Dragon's Fire has transformed you into a rectangular prism right there, my friends. Your length is 8 centimeters. Let's just go ahead and plug this in. 8 centimeters for your length, right? Your width is 7 centimeters. So this right here is going to be 7 centimeters, and your height is 12 centimeters, so 12 centimeters high. So 12 right there. Bam, perfect. And you need to find your volume. So your volume is simply, use the formula of V equals length times width times height, right? So if we do that, we've got volume equals 8 times 7 times 12, and superb, my friends. So all we have to do is multiply these three numbers together. Well, 8 times 7 is going to give you 56. Let's just drop that right here. 56 right there. And then all I have to do is multiply that by 12. So let's go ahead and multiply by 12. And here we go. Let's get ready to rock and roll. 2 times 6 is going to give you 12. Drop your 2, carry your 1. Superb. 2 times 5 is 10, plus this 1 is going to give you 11. Fantastic. Then you're going to drop a 0, put an X in it, because this 1 is really a 10, right? Okay, and then 1 times 6 is going to give you 6, and 1 times 5 is going to give you 5, right? Bam, love that. And then all you have to do is add these two bad boys together. 2 plus nothing is going to give you a 2. 1 and 6 is going to give you a 7. And 1 plus 5 is going to give you a 6. And right there is your answer, 672. And that is what you should plug in, because remember, you're not going to plug in the centimeters cubed. You're just going to write the answer, which in this case is 672. So let's go ahead and box that, because that's what should be typed into your answer. And then also I want to write your volume equals 672. Now these are centimeters cubed, right? And that's also your answer. However, you're not going to type that into the answer key, because you're just going to plug in the number. Alrighty, my friends. Hey, that is how you solve this problem, or any problem dealing with volume of a rectangular prism like this one. So what I'd like you to do right now is go ahead and pause this video, copy all these good notes into your notebook, and you're good to go, my friends. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon.